Good morning, students. Now, our next topic is microorganism, friend and foe. You already know about what is microorganism. Some other living organism around us which we normally cannot see. These are called microorganisms or microbes. These microorganisms are our friend and foe. About microorganism, I told you in our previous videos. So you know what is microorganism? Some other living organism around us which we normally cannot see our eyes. This is called microorganism. So now this chapter is microorganism. So here we study about some microorganisms are our friend and some are our foe. So according to microorganism classify into four major groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. Bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. You have seen several kinds of plants and animals. However, these are other living organisms. However, these are other living organisms around us which we normally cannot see. These are called microorganisms. For example, you might have observed that during the rainy season, moist bread gets spoiled and its surface gets covered with grayish white patches. Observe these patches through a magnifying glass. According to microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae, some other group are also present. These called it viruses. Viruses are also microscopic, but they are different from other microorganisms. Now these days you already know about what is virus because coronavirus is spread. So although viruses are different from microorganisms, how? So let's we see. These viruses called non-living things, but viruses are also microscopic but are different from other microorganisms. They, however, reproduce only inside the cell of the host organism. They reproduce only the inside the cell of the host organism. Okay, in outer environment they are non-living thing. So these living cells like plant cell, animal cell and bacterium cells may be. So viruses are non-living things, but then they enter body of host, they show living organism and reproduce their number. For example, viruses like common elements like cold, influenza, flu virus, cough caused by viruses. Serious diseases like polio and chickenpox are also caused by viruses. Diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoa, whereas typhoid and tuberculosis means TB, are bacterial diseases. So let's, in our next video we study about viral diseases and bacterial diseases